Hello Madison Lion Cubs, this is Mr. DSK and I'm here on this Friday, March 22nd afternoon to share with you the results of our recent penny war. If you recall, we had jars in the hallway, one jar for each classroom, and we asked students to bring in pennies from home and also any clad coins. Now, a clad coin is a silver-looking coin. Clad means that it has 2 or 3 layers in it of different materials. And the idea was that each penny was worth 1 point and each dollar was worth 100 points. And then if you put in a clad coin, like a 25-cent piece, then that 25-cent piece actually would take away 25 points from that jar. So the idea was that the class that had the most points, after taking into account the pennies, dollars, and silver coins, the class that had the most points would win, and they would win an ice cream party. And I actually have the results here, and it's really exciting. So Teacher Jane's class came in second place with 12,767 total points. And in first place, wait for it, Miss Jones's first graders with 12,789 points. That's just a 22-point difference. So congratulations to Miss Jones's class for having the most number of points. And Miss Jones's class will have an ice cream party. And everyone else will have a popsicle party. Isn't that fun? So we'll have those ice cream parties and those popsicle parties next week. Now, you're probably wondering how much money was raised overall and which class raised the most money. Well, every class raised money for the penny wars. And let's see here. The class that raised the most money was actually Mr. Trend's class, his 4th grade class, and they raised a total of $469.75. The runner-up class was Miss Martin's class, and her class, her 5th grade class, raised $225.39. Okay, so what was the overall amount of funds that were raised? Inquiring minds want to know. I want to know. Do you want to know? Well, actually, I already know, so I'm going to tell you. The total number of dollars raised with our penny wars was, wait for it, $1,679.74. That's right, $1,679.74. Isn't that amazing? I was just blown away by that figure. That's a lot of money. So remember, it's going to pay for the ice cream party and the popsicle party, and the rest of the money is going to go towards some fun assembly or some fun activity between now and the end of the year. And we'll let you know when that happens, and we'll let you know that the funds came from the penny wars. So thank you, students, for bringing in the pennies and the clad coins. Thank you, parents, for supporting this activity. Thank you, Ms. McCowan, for organizing the activity and for counting the thousands of pennies and silver coins. I have a fun fact. Well, at least Ms. McCowan and I believe it's a fun fact, and maybe after you hear it, you'll think it's a fun fact too about the penny wars. The fun fact is that over 37,000 pennies were turned into the penny drive, and Miss McCowan counted them all and put them in rolls to take to the bank. That is a lot of pennies and a lot of counting. So thank you, Ms. McCowan, for this wonderful fundraiser activity. Again, thank you all the students and community for supporting the fundraising activity. And I'll keep you posted with what happens next. Okay, well, that's it from me. I guess I'll see you out and about. Bye.